Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll discuss with you, how does Perpay credit card work. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're trying to rebuild your credit score, but you really don't want to hand over a massive upfront secure deposit for a traditional secure card, well, Perpay credit card here is a super interesting option. Now, it completely flips the script on how credit cards usually work because it entirely is powered by your paycheck. Now, it's basically designed to be a set it and forget it tool that makes you nearly impossible or nearly impossible for you to accidentally miss a payment. Now, the setup is a little different from your standard card. Beginning the moment you apply from the right side in the Perpay app. Now, the best part of this initial step here is that there is no hard credit check, meaning you can see if you're approved with absolutely zero risk to your current score. If they approve you, your starting credit limit will typically land anywhere up to $1,500. Now, to actually activate the account, you link your employer's payroll system to Perpay and set up a recurring direct deposit before they even mail the physical MasterCard to your house. Perpay requires you to your very first scheduled direct deposit payment to clear, and there's a one-time $9 account opening fee that gets taken out of this initial deposit. Now, once that actually lands, they ship your card out. From there, you can use the card anywhere MasterCard is accepted for everyday stuff like gas or groceries. Then, instead of waiting for a scary bill at the end of the month, a set amount is automatically deducted from your paycheck every single time you get paid or paid to clear your balance. Now, because your payments are directly tied to your pay cycle here and automated through your employer, you completely eliminate the risk of forgetting a due date here. This automation drives your credit growth in a few big ways, starting with a perfect payment history, which is the biggest single factor in your credit score. Now, since your paycheck handles the bill automatically, you're naturally building a flawless streak of on-time payments. Perpay then reports your activity to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and even TransUnion, so your hard work counts everywhere. They also automatically review your account for a credit limit boost in as little as 3 months. And a higher limit helps lower your credit utilization, which gives your score an extra bump. Now, while it's an awesome credit building sandbox here, it does have a few specific terms you should know about before actually diving in. Now, they advertise having no annual fees, but they do charge a monthly card servicing fee of $9 to keep your account open. Also, if your statement balance isn't paid in full by your direct deposits, the APR sits between roughly around 27 and 30%. So, on the bright side here, it's a World Mastercard, so you get standard perks like fraud protection, plus you earn 2% cashback on all the payments you make towards your card balance, which you can actually use as rewards to shop in Perpay marketplace. Just keep in mind that this is purely a tool for daily spending and credit building, so it does not support cash advances or balance transfers. So ultimately, it acts as a highly automated safety net here for your credit. Now, if you have a steady job with an electronic payroll system and want a foolproof way to ensure your credit card bill is always paid on time, it's easily one of the most low maintenance tools out there right now. But in this case, that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.